Yoga is an ideal exercise to body and mind. Practicing yoga offers a number of health benefits, including healthy and strong body, peace of mind, increased focus and concentration, etc. Yoga has its significance since ancient times. And it is true that yoga has helped many of us to live calm and peaceful lives. Let's take a look at 9 proven health benefits of yoga. Yoga improves your flexibility and posture. You only need to include yoga in your daily routine to benefit from a body that is strong, supple and flexible. Regular yoga practice stretches and tones the body muscles and also makes them strong. It also helps improve your body posture when you stand, sit, sleep or walk. This would, in turn, help relieve you of body pain due to incorrect posture. Yoga lowers blood sugar and LDL, that is bad cholesterol, and boosts HDL, known as good cholesterol. In people with diabetes, yoga has been found to lower blood sugar in several ways. By lowering cortisol and adrenaline levels, encouraging weight loss, and improving sensitivity to the effects of insulin. Get your blood sugar levels down, and you decrease your risk of diabetic complications such as heart attack, kidney failure, and blindness. Yoga for weight loss can be effective. It can help you boost your metabolism and build stronger muscles. 2 things are essential for weight loss. If you start to eat more whole, organic foods while performing a daily yoga routine, you'll be more likely to see the pounds come off quicker. Yoga includes breathing practices known as pranayama, which can be effective for reducing our stress response, improving lung function and encouraging relaxation. Many pranayamas emphasize slowing down and deepening the breath, which activates the body's parasympathetic system, or relaxation response. By changing our pattern of breathing, we can significantly affect our body's experience of and response to stress. Yoga improves blood circulation. By transporting nutrients and oxygen throughout your body, yoga practice provides healthier organs, skin, and brain. Regular yoga practice provides consistent energy. In fact, most yogis state that when you perform your yoga correctly, you will feel energized after your yoga session rather than tired. Yoga naturally reduces pain. This is one of the most important health benefits of yoga. There are countless studies proving that yoga can be very effective at relieving pain. It doesn't matter if you suffer from fibromyalgia, arthritis, or migraine headaches, yoga has been proven to effectively reduce pain from all these ailments. And if you are one of the millions of people that suffer from back pain, yoga can make that pain practically disappear. Even a gentle yoga practice can provide cardiovascular benefits by lowering resting heart rate, increasing endurance and improving oxygen uptake during exercise. Mental sharpness. Regular practice of yoga has been proven to help with memory and concentration, and even, in recent studies, it's been shown to help prevent and treat Alzheimer's disease.